ready? Say hello.
Wonderful, wonderful answer.
The journey to the heavens so right. We follow the stars. Okay.
We were also able to do everything on time, though we packed a lot of things. What I believe is God has done what we.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
And peace so true. Jesus.
Be transformed, and this is our prayer, and this is what we believe. So, three.
Oh, oh, oh.